Joe here, Ferro Woodcraft. We are here for I believe, week 16 of 52 ferro rod fires. And this one has been highly requested, and I'm finally able to come through. This is a bona fide bird's nest. I pulled it out of one of my coworkers' vehicles. A bird was silly and built a nest up under his hood over the weekend, and well, obviously that's not a long-term solution for that birdie, so we went ahead and took it out. So without further ado, let's see what we can do.
You'll make a fire or bird nest?
That's the idea.
There you go out.
Yeah, that's mostly pine needles. They don't burn so easy.
That's a knife.
Yep, it's Daddy's knife.
That's Daddy's knife.
It is, isn't it?
Besides, you're in the video.
Likes to smolder.
Yeah. You're in the video, buddy. What?
It's alright.
We're gonna.
Folks can still see.
Yeah. Are you even gonna burn the feathers?
Yeah, whatever's in there.
Burn the feather?
Yeah, there's a feather in there somewhere.
Only a couple feathers.
I think we got it this time.
1, 2.
Watch out, bud.
1, 2. No, mine followed.
Almost followed, huh?
That's a bird nest.
Yeah, I gotta be honest, this isn't quite as gone up quite as fast as I figured it would. I figured it'd go up in flames. Good job, buddy. Ah! Silly boy.
We're trying to touch a little part of that bird nest.
Yeah.
I thought it would go up in flames. Very easy.
Me too. This is kind of surprising.
Me too. Me too. It looks like it would. It looks like it.
And lots of little pieces are going up, but it's not staying.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
There you go.
Back up, buddy. Goodbye, Rachel.
I'm sitting down in the green grass.
Right.
Me too.
Put that out for a second. Let's see if a different ferro rod makes a difference. Just trying to use my firesteel.com one for a change. Go to my favorite, I guess. Get it out. Something in there doesn't want to go out. I guess this overall it's a nice problem to have. Doesn't want to go out. Careful, bud. Don't touch that. You want to get up? Come here. Up you go. Alright. Start again. Goodness.
What's that? What's that?
I don't know what that is.
What is? Is it a part of a bird nest?
Yep. Part of it that doesn't want to go out. We'll put you over there, buddy. Alright. Let's try to light my fire. I think a lot of it, see, girls? I think a lot of the reason why it's not is because there's a lot of dry stuff. There's also a lot of green stuff like this. birdie used moss and stuff to build a nest. And so when the dry stuff starts
That's
going
a
up,
bird nest.
yeah, it is. So when the dry stuff starts to go, and it gets into the green stuff that doesn't burn very well, it just kind of goes out.
I'll try and break that bird nest. We'll try and break because the green stuff is water.
Yep, it has lots of water in it. So it makes it green, sort of.
Like the grass.
Hey, mister?
Yeah.
Your credit card ends in 3113.
We're on film, sweetie.
Here it goes.
There it goes. Alright. All sorts of stuff in here. Alright.
Oh my, that did it pretty fast.
Yeah. Ah, they even got plastic in there.
Plastic. That's
Yep, there we go. Wasn't quite as easy as I thought it was going to be. Interesting challenge, Malcolm. Thank you very much, bud.
It's a fire.
Yeah, back up a little bit, bud. Alright, well, there is week 16 of 52 Ferro fires. Thanks for joining us, guys, and we'll see you next week.
That's dirty.